Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for tuning in. It is your favorite girl in the building. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Today's video is going to be about head wrap tutorials. I'm going to be doing a whole lot of different head wrap styles that you can do, and if you'd like to see all these styles, then stay tuned. This head wrap that I'm using is a Tanzanian print, and I'm going to be using this one head wrap throughout the whole video. So how you measure a head wrap, right? From this hand to this other hand, if it's stretched out, that is 1 meter. And that's how that's how you measure head wraps when you're buying materials from the shop. That's how they measure 1 meter. So with this head wrap, I'm going to measure it just to show you guys. So from this hand, it ends here, so it's just over 1/2 meter. And with this side, I'm gonna use this hand, stretch it out, it just ends here. So then the other side is a bit longer than this one, but it is somewhat a square, not really a square, but yeah, the lengths are almost the same size. So I'm going to be using one type of style throughout the whole head wrap, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this corner and put it to the opposite corner to form a triangle. And obviously it's not going to be a perfect triangle because the lengths aren't the same. So this is how it's going to be. So I'm not going to be changing the head wrap throughout the whole video. I'm just going to be using this kind of style throughout the entire video.
ZC on the track, boy. CC on the track, boy.
hope you guys loved these tutorials. They're very simple and they're very easy to do. And guys, you know, I really love wearing head wraps. So head wraps just, you know, give me the chance to be so creative. And what I love about it is that there isn't really a formula to how to tie, you know, a head wrap. If you're a creative person, you know, head wraps can really work for you in many ways. Like when I was shooting this video, I know that I even did styles that I had not practiced. You know, I just came up with styles as I went along. So that's what I like about head wraps. You just get to play along with them. You get to try different things. As long as it looks good, guys, then you can go out in public. So that's it for the video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. If you'd like to see how to do head wrap tutorials when you have natural hair, then please let me know in the comment section. Also, if you'd like me to use different kinds of head wraps in one video, if you'd like me to experiment with like traditional head wraps, so like umpaco or any other, you know, geles or any kind of head wrap, then please let me know in the comment section, guys. Like I said, I recorded this video last year, so I'm not sure if you guys would like to see that. But yeah, just let me know in the comment section, guys, and I will upload it. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. If you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up. Please comment, please share, please subscribe, guys. You're on the road to 500. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.